Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to discuss how to change the battery in the Apple AirTags. These are great devices. You put them in your luggage. When you arrive at your destination, you can look up Find My. You'll see these you see where they're at. Did they make it with you? Are they in transit? Were they left behind? These will let you know everything. But also on the app, it tells you its battery status. Let's look at that. Okay, on your phone you go to Find My, and then here we've got people, devices, and items. Items are the things that we really need to take a good look at. So, luggage 3 is the issue. And what you'll find if you've got a battery issue is you're going to see, I have this label as Joe's Luggage 3, low battery. So we're going to replace the battery, and we're going to go through how to do that. I'll have a link in the video description on where to get these Apple AirTags on Amazon, as well as these really nice holders that make it super easy to connect these to any part inside of your baggage. So the Apple AirTag comes out just like that. So this is how you take it apart, literally with 2 fingers on the face and then holding on to the rim. You just want to turn it a quarter of a turn and it comes out, exposing the battery. And the battery is a CR2032. The battery is a CR2032, and we've got some replacements here. Again, the positive goes up. We'll just take it out. There it comes. Get it, put that to the side. Get our new battery. Put it in, and then line up these little tabs with the openings, and you can hear that sound, meaning it's happy. And then literally just push it down and turn it back at quarter turn or eighth of a turn. Your Apple AirTag is good to go. It slips into this little silicone carrier, just like that, and you're good to go. So if this video was helpful in replacing the battery of an Apple AirTag with a CR2032, very common button battery, I'll put a link to where to get these as well. Consider subscribing. Click thumbs up if it was helpful. Thank you.